Sampige Road, the wonderfully fragrant name, holds a lot of memories for many Bangaloreans who grew up in and around Malleshwaram. The huge Malleshwaram circle, the horses in the Jatka stand, the colourful bouquet shop next door, shoppers at 8th Cross, and the temples, all this gives the area a typical South Indian look and feel.
Malleshwaram for me has a lot of memories. Sampige Road itself used to be a two-way at that time, and buses used to come from 18th Cross and Yeshwantpur used to stop near the circle, and we would proceed towards Majestic and other areas.
Sampige Road is officially named as Venkatranga Iyengar Road after a man who was the councillor in the Maharaja's administration.
My great-grandfather was a councillor, and he had a habit of foraging outside, and he would do it on horseback. Apparently when he came towards the Malleshwaram area, he discovered a very old temple, a Shaivite temple, and it was called Kadu Malleshwara. And as he rode around, he felt that this would be a very good area to be a good extension of the old city. And so he planned out the whole thing, and having been a councillor, it was easy for him to do that.
It's not hard to see that this area was once a hilly terrain. The Kadu Malleshwara temple stands on a high ground, whereas the Nandi temple opposite is below the ground level. There's an interesting story behind the ingeniously sculpted Nandi. This temple, being below the ground level, was completely buried in soil. When a local politician tried to sell this plot for a real estate development, the residents nearby objected and excavated the site.
ಈಗ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಯಾರೋ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೂ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಈ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಮಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇತ್ತು ನೀರು, ಮೆಟ್ಲುಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು, ಹಾವು ತರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟಾಟಾಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದೊಂದು ಲಿಂಗದ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನೀರು ಇದು ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳೋ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ನೀರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳೋ ತರ ನಾವೇ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Though Sampige Road is a jungle of different kind today, the trees in this religious zone at 16th Cross is still home to birds like parakeets and mynas. Opposite the Kadu Malleshwara, which is centuries old, stands the shiny new glass and chrome buildings that house Pizza Corner, Donut Baker, Coffee Day and other modern outlets. A little beyond is the 11th Cross Market. As you walk across the colorful array of garlands, the lingering fragrance of the flowers and the incense makes the name Sampige ever so apt. A heady mix of flowers, fruits and vegetables, the market gets an electric buzz the day before any festival. People from many parts of Bangalore come here for fresh flowers and fruits.
I was born in Malleshwaram, then I came back to Bangalore and settled in Karnataka, Cross. Actually, for my requirements, I come to Malleshwaram. I get everything here.
It certainly gets more crowded at the junction of 8th Cross. You can call 8th Cross as a South Indian version of the Brigade Road. The street is full of action. Payment vendors doing brisk business, busy shoppers, and of course the ever busy Janata Hotel. Can you spot the huge mounds of color near the Sampige Road and 8th Cross intersection? That tiny shop is Grandige Angri. a small shop that sells pretty much every item needed for a puja.
ನನಗೆ 60 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದು. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನಾದ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಈಗ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
The road stretches much beyond, but we are tired. So let's stop at the new underpass that supposedly eases traffic and look back.
I think my great-grandfather did a great thing that age, to have the vision that this should be an area where people would come and settle down and make it into a nice area. Very rarely do you find this.
From Central Takis to Malaysian 18th Cross, it used to be a great walk, and sun rays would not fall on the ground. That is my memory of Sampi Road.